90% of business owners get this copywriting step wrong. Here's a shocking fact. Over 90% of business owners make the same copywriting mistake, and this mistake is costing them sales every single day. The worst part is most of them don't even realize they are doing it. Here's the headline. They focus on features instead of benefits. They talk about what the product is, not what it does for the customer. And that is the fastest way to lose attention and lose sales. Think about it. Saying 100% cotton or 2-day shipping is fine, but it doesn't answer the customer's real question. Why should I care? Customers don't buy features. They buy the result. They buy the feeling. And when copy ignores that, sales disappear. Here's a stat to prove it. According to Harvard research, 95% of purchase decisions are driven by emotion, not logic. That means if your copy doesn't connect emotionally, it fails. So how do you fix it? Here are 3 tips. Tip 1. Translate features into benefits. Instead of noise-canceling headphones, say block out the world and focus on what matters. This works because it shows the customer the outcome, not just the product. Tip 2. Use emotional triggers. Words like proven, guaranteed, secret, and exclusive make people feel something. This works because emotion drives action. Tip 3. Add proof. Use testimonials, reviews, or numbers that show real people are already getting results. This works because trust is the bridge to buying. But here's the problem. Writing this kind of copy takes time and energy, and most business owners don't have hours to sit and craft the perfect message. That's the problem. It gets worse when you need fresh ads, emails, and product descriptions every week. The frustration grows, and many settle for weak copy that keeps losing sales. But there's a simple solution. AI Creator Max has over 100 templates for titles, blogs, ads, and emails. They're all built on proven psychology like ADA, PAS, and more. Just answer a few questions, hit generate, and your copy is ready. It helps you write 10x faster so you can focus on growing instead of struggling. Try it free today. Link below. Bonus tip. Test 2 versions of your copy. Even swapping one word in a headline can increase sales by 20% or more. And here's a light moment. If your copy reads like a boring product label, it's time for an upgrade. Now you know the #1 copywriting step most business owners get wrong and how to fix it. This video is part of a mini course playlist designed to help you master copywriting that sells. So binge the rest of the series to get the full playbook. If you found this helpful, like this video, subscribe, and comment with the copywriting challenge you face right now. And don't wait until another day of sales is lost. Apply what you learned today and try AI Creator Max free at aicreatormax.com, because fixing this one mistake could change everything.